As you can see, this application has got more than 1 million downloads. Here you can see screenshots of this application. This application has got more than 100,000 downloads. Here you can see screenshots of this application. This application has got more than 1 million downloads. This application has got more than 50,000 downloads. Can you imagine how much money these app creators earn? App creators earn thousands of dollars per month. In this video, you are going to learn how to make this kind of application. And how can you earn money using this application? You can earn money using Google AdMob. You can earn money using Unity ads. In this video, I'm going to share with you a step by step. You can do it with your mobile phone. Before we start, I want you to please subscribe our channel and like this video. And if you have any type of questions or opinions about the video, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. First of all, you can go on Google AdMob. Here you can see you can earn money with your apps. As you can see, AdMob network performance. You can also earn thousands of dollars using AdMob. Here you can see how it works. First of all, you will have to create account using your email address. Second step, you will have to create at least one ad unit and put it in your app. In third step, you can earn money. Click on sign up button. It will then take you to this page. First of all, you will have to verify your account. Click on next button. You will have to type here your password. Now click on next button. Select here your country. Now select your time zone. Here you can see terms and conditions about AdMob. You will have to read and accept its terms and conditions. Now you can click on create AdMob account button. You can select here yes option. Now click on continue to AdMob button. Guys, first of all, you will have to add payment information. If you will not add payment information, then you will not get approval from AdMob. You will have to add payment information. You can click on add payment info button. It will then take you to this page. You can type here your address, city, postcode, and you can select here your state. And at last you can click on submit button. Once you will submit your payment information successfully, then you will get approval from AdMob within 24 hours. You can easily create account just by entering your email address and password. Guys, it's very easy to create account on AdMob network. Once you will create successfully your account, you will then come to this page. You can click on apps button. Now you can click on add app button. You can select your platform. You can select your no option. Now you can click on continue button. You can type your app name. You can use ChatGPT platform to generate app name. You can type your app name. Now you can click on add app button. You can visit on Deepseek platform and you can type your this kind of prompt. You can generate 100 jokes, 200 jokes, 500 jokes. You can generate loads of jokes. You can generate jokes in any language. You can generate in English language, Hindi language, Urdu language, Nigerian language. You can generate jokes in any language. Now you can click on this button. As you can see, this platform has generated HTML code for joke app. You can click here to copy this HTML code. Now in next step, you can go on App Creator 24 platform. You can use this platform to make your app for Android phones and tablets. This platform is free. You can earn money by showing ads. You can click on sign up button. Now you can type here your name. You can select your country. You can type here your email address. You can type your password. And you will have to accept your terms of service. And at last you can click on send button. Once you will create successfully your account, you will then come to this page. You can click on create app button. Now you can type here your app name. You can select your app icon. You can also upload your own app icon. You can visit on Flaticon platform and you can search your joke. Here you can see there are a lot of app icon. You can download any of this app icon. You can click on this download button. You can select PNG format. Click here to download app icon. Now you can go on App Creator 24 platform. You can click on choose file button. You can select app icon. Click on open button. Now you can select your language. You can type your app description. Click on next button. Now click on create an empty app button. Click on go to app manager button. Click on sections button. Click on create section button. You can select your HTML option. Now select this option. Click on next button. You can type your section title. Now you can remove this code. You can paste here your own HTML code. You can visit on Deepseek platform and you can click here to copy this HTML code. You can go on 𝒕𝒉𝒂𝒏𝒌 platform and you can paste here that HTML code. Guys, you can also add here more jokes. You can visit on ChatGPT platform and you can type here this kind of prompt. Generate 100 jokes in English language that should be unique and much more funny. You can generate jokes in English language, Hindi language. You can generate in any kind of language. Now you can click on this button. As you can see, this platform has generated 100 jokes. You can copy all of this joke. Now you can go on 𝒕𝒉𝒂𝒏𝒌 platform and you can remove this text. You can paste here that jokes. Now you can scroll down. You can click on save button. You can click here. Now you can click on menu type button. You can select here this option. Click on save button. Now click on ads button. You can paste your add unit ID of admob banner ads. You can paste your add unit ID of admob interstitial ads. You can paste your add unit ID of admob native ads. You can paste your add unit ID of admob rewarded ads. You can also monetize this application using Unity ads. You can paste your game ID of Unity ads. You can paste your placement ID. I'm going to paste your admob add unit ID. You can visit on admob. You can click on add unit button. Here you can see banner ad format, interstitial ad, rewarded ad and native advanced. You can click on select button. Now you can type your unit name. You can type your anything. Now you can click on create add unit button. Similarly, you can create interstitial ad, rewarded ad and native ads. As you can see, I have created banner add unit ID, interstitial add unit ID, native advanced and rewarded add unit ID. Click here to copy this add unit ID. Now you can visit on 𝒕𝒉𝒂𝒏𝒌 platform and you can paste your add unit ID of banner ads. Similarly, you can paste your add unit ID of admob interstitial ad. You can paste your add unit ID of admob native ads. You can paste your add unit ID of admob rewarded ads and then you can click on save button. Now you can click on general info button. You can click on name and icon button. You can scroll down. You will have to paste your admob app ID. You can visit on admob. You can click on app settings button. Here is showing admob app ID. You can click here to copy this app ID. Now you can go on 𝒕𝒉𝒂𝒏𝒌 platform and you can paste your app ID. Here is showing package name. You can type your package name. Now you can click on save button. You can click on OK button. You can click on download app button. Guys, it will take some time. You will have to wait at least 5 minutes. Yeah, here we go. My application has created successfully. Here is showing download button. You can click here to download this application. Or you can scan this code to download this application. After downloading this application, you can install this application in your Android device. As you can see, this application is looking great. Here is showing Google Ads. When your app user will click on this advertisement, then you will earn money. You can earn good amount of money using Google AdMob. You can make joke application in any kind of language. After making application, you can publish it on Play Store. As you can see, there are a lot of people has published joke app on Play Store. You can also publish your joke app on Play Store. Your application will get millions of downloads. As you can see, if you will get 50,000 monthly active users on your application, then you can earn $3,770 per month. You can earn thousands of dollars using Google AdMob. If you want to learn more about AdMob, then watch this video right here. That's all for today. Please subscribe our channel and like this video. And also please share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in next video.